Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here to share my November 2021 Counterfeit Kit Challenge Kit layout number 1. Now I have pulled the page map sketch from November 2021, and my first one that I'm going to use is the one down here on the corner, the very last one on the page. And it calls for 6 photos, 6 small photos with a central theme and some embellishment over to the right side. I'm going to change it up. Instead of using these 6 photos, I'm only going to use 3. And for this, I am relying a lot on my background paper to provide the background, if you will. I don't think I'm going to add, I might add a central cluster around the photos. Way weird storm clouds had rolled in, and so that's what this layout is about. And this just felt like a rainbow that was like disintegrating, if you will. I know that doesn't happen in reality, but you know, follow with me. I pulled in this gray. I don't know if I'm going to use the gray behind the layout and make this the grounding piece, or if I'm going to use it behind the photos and make that the grounding piece for the photos. So we'll have to see as I go along. I did pull in quite a few embellishments. I pulled in a pocket page card. I told you guys when I showed you my kit, I'm not crazy about this one with apples, so I'm going to use the back side. I pulled in some of these little page, what do you call them? These things. I pulled in from the Harper kit. I went ahead and emptied the Harper kit into my storage container, and I'm utilizing both kits as I go along. And so I pulled in these. I'm going to use something from there. I pulled in these word stickers. I pulled in these puffy stickers. I pulled in these few little enamel stickers. There's not very many on here. There's very few, so I'm going to use some of those. These are Felicity Jane stickers, washi strips, and I'm going to use something from those. I pulled in 4 separate, these 2 are the same, and then these 2 are different. All of these labels, I'm going to use something from there. Plus I have another bowl with embellishments over here, paper clips, wood veneer, there's some chipboard, different pieces, those chipboard pieces, and I did pull in my leftover bin of Felicity Jane product that I can pull in if need be. There's some pocket page cards and just some random embellishments down in here, some vellum pieces, some acetate pieces, all kinds of stuff in here to use if I feel the need to go ruffling through there. We'll see as I go along. Give me a second, I'll show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you the layout that I created. Okay friends, I am done. Let me show you the leftover product that I used. I have these frames. I used one of these, and I used it to outline my little journal spot. I did use these tabs, one of them. As far as these labels go, I don't think I used one from this page. I used 2 from this page, 3 from this page, and 1 from this page. These puffy word stickers, I did use 2. These word stickers, you can see I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Great product. And the washi strips, I used 1 of those. I was going to use a piece of this one too, but I just didn't. This is the alphabet stickers that I pulled in. This is the one that came with the Emily kit. And I have the enamel stickers that I had a few left on here. I used them up. So that's always fabulous when I can use some of those up. Anywho, here are the sketches again. Here's the one that I chose down here on the bottom. You will have seen the close-up. And here is the layout that I created. You can see I followed along fairly closely with a few little changes. So here you have the photos. In the original sketch, the photos are a little bit to the left and to leave space for all of this journaling here. I didn't do that because I knew the size of the photos. Even though I cut them down some, I knew that they were going to take up the bulk of the space, and I knew I was going to have limited here, and I knew I was going to add another little cluster over here to add my journaling to. I was originally going to use this little frame with my pocket page card behind that to create my journaling and then put my title over here, but then I flip-flopped it and put my title here on this. And I used 1, 2, 3, 4 of those stickers there. 5 and 6 of those phrase stickers. There's one of my labels back here. This piece is just a scrap piece of paper. And then that washi strip and tab are down here. The puffy stickers are here. Enamel dots are scattered throughout. And I did pull in one of these Harper chipboard tags to use there. And it says, "Today I am thankful for." And you know, when you get the Felicity Jane box and you open it up, it comes wrapped with the black ribbon. And so that's what I did. I just took a piece of that black ribbon and cut it down to make the ribbon for my chipboard tag. Here you can see I layered all of my labels to create my journal spot over here to tell the story about these clouds. As far as the background goes, I know that burst of color, the rainbows blowing up. Anyway, you guys may not think so, but I loved how that looked, and I didn't want to cover up all of the color or the shape of them in the background because it kind of had a bubble feel like these clouds did. But I also wanted to ground my photos, so I took a piece of the gray from the back side and put it here to ground my photos. When I just layered the photos down, it was a little too distracting with the other embellishments there, so I grounded it like this. So this is layout done. Number 1 is done. So this is one for the books. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here. I will have a playlist of all the layouts that I create with this, so make sure you head over to my YouTube channel and check out that playlist if you're interested in seeing the other videos, or stay tuned to my channel. Make sure hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, you know, do all the things. Anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.